Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you some great ideas for designing your bathroom in white. If you've been looking for some inspiration or just need new ideas, then stick around because it's time that we get started on our project. The first thing we need to do is take a look at the vanity. This is going to be our starting point for everything else, so it's important that we figure out how it looks and for what purpose, so we can go from there. In this case, they've chosen a white color with light wooden accents that flow into the cabinets, but it could be white with black or gray accents that would go well together. It's also possible to paint the inside of the cupboards the same color as your walls. This way, you can see even more storage space and really make use of them. If you do this, then make sure that all of the items in there are pretty much the same color so they stand out less. Plus, it will allow you to keep things organized without worrying about losing them under other items. Start thinking about how tall your sink is going to be, because that could either work for or against you when designing your bathroom. You might need to do some work on adding another layer, such as a mirror, above it so you can see your face properly, or maybe a new sink altogether. This is just the beginning of our bathroom design, and there are lots of other things to consider, such as lighting fixtures and mirrors. In this case, they've chosen a more traditional mirror that doesn't have any extra lighting built into it, but that's not always necessary. You can also try having a mirror with LED lights on either side of it, especially if you're going for a modern look. There are even some mirrors out there now that have speakers built in. After we choose all of those important aspects for our design, then we need to figure out what sort of shower/tub area we want to put in here. As far as tubs go, you can either go with a more traditional look, such as this one, or you can try something like an old-fashioned claw-foot tub that's made out of white subway tiles. For the shower itself, your design possibilities are literally endless. You can choose whatever shape and size you want, but keep in mind that you will need to match it up to the space so there is enough room for everyone. One thing we do recommend is opting for glass doors instead of sliding doors so they don't take up too much unnecessary space. Use a white or light-colored wall paint for the bathroom to make it feel bigger and brighter. We all want to make the bathroom feel bigger and brighter, especially if it's small, but we end up using dark or black paint that makes it look even smaller and darker. If you own a small bathroom that needs brightening up, then this is for you. Use light-colored wall. Not only will you make your bathroom look bigger and brighter, but it will also feel like a spa, soothing and relaxing. Light-colored wall paint can be of any color shade: cream, beige, white, that comes in an off-white tone, which is perfect for this type of room. It's best to avoid light yellow or very light blue because they may end up making the room look like a hospital restroom. Also, you might want to skip on very dark colors such as gray or black, since they tend to close in a small space. You can check out these great examples with light-colored wall paint for the bathroom. A classic white makes this small bathroom look clean and fresh, while large mirror completes the spacious look. A very dark gray is the color here, but with bright white bathtub and window it still looks spacious. Notice how white tile floor adds to this effect. A classic bathroom with dark green against crisp white wallpaper creates an impression of spaciousness. This is Naha from Decor Shows again. Thanks for watching. So what do you think? Do you want to give one of these designs a try in your own bathroom? If so, leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We've got lots more videos coming to your way soon. Bye.